Hey everyone, Kyle here. Today we'll cover the step-by-step guide on how to start an LLC in Wisconsin, including the benefits, exact steps to get started, and important requirements to help you get your business up and running. If you'd rather have someone else handle the complex process for you, skip ahead to the end of this video. I'll be sharing a special offer where you can form your LLC for just $39 with Northwest Registered Agent, saving you both time and money. So now let's get on to the steps that you need to take in order for you to create your LLC. So step 1, choose a name for your LLC. The first step to making your LLC in Wisconsin is choosing a business name. Your LLC's name must be unique and distinguishable from other businesses registered in Wisconsin. Make sure that the name includes limited liability company or an abbreviation like LLC. Avoid names that could easily mislead people into thinking your business is something that it's not, like a bank or government entity. To check if your name is available, you can do a business search through Wisconsin's Department of Financial Institution website. Once you find a name that's available, it's a good idea to lock down the domain name as well, even if you are not ready to build a website just yet. And I will be leaving a link in the description so that you'd be able to go here easily. So just click on that, and then from here you can just type out your business name right here and click on search records and see if there are any other businesses in Wisconsin that has the same name as you. As you can see right here, you'd be able to see the entity name right here. So just make sure that there is no other businesses that has the exact same name as you. And now step number 2, appoint a registered agent. Wisconsin law requires every LLC to appoint a registered agent. This person or company will receive official legal documents for your business, like tax notices or lawsuits. You can either appoint yourself, a friend, or hire a commercial agent like Northwest Registered Agent. And remember, the agent must have a physical address in Wisconsin. If you choose Northwest Registered Agent, they offer their services for free for the first year when you form your LLC with them. They'll ensure you stay compliant and protect your privacy by keeping your personal address off public records. And now step number 3, file your articles of organization. The next step is to file your LLC's articles of organization with the Wisconsin Department of Financial Institutions. This document officially establishes your LLC and includes key information like your business name, registered agent, and whether your LLC is member managed or manager managed. You can file online, which is the safest option, or you can submit it by mail. The filing fee for Wisconsin LLC is $130, and if you're in a hurry, you can pay an additional $25 for expedited processing. And now step number 4, create an operating agreement. An operating agreement is not required by Wisconsin law, but it's a highly recommended internal document for LLCs. This agreement outlines how your LLC will be managed, the ownership percentages, and the responsibilities of each member. It's essential to prevent future conflicts between business owners. We've provided a free template in the description to help you create your operating agreement quickly and easily. And now step number 5, get an EIN or employer identification number. Your next step is obtaining an EIN from the IRS. This is a social security number for your LLC for tax purposes. You'll need it to hire employees, open a business bank account, and file your taxes. The good news is completely free, and you can get it instantly by applying through the IRS website, or you can also let Northwest Registered Agent get it for you as part of their service when you form your LLC with them. And now finally, step number 6, comply with Wisconsin's publication requirements. Unlike some states, Wisconsin does not require you to publish a notice of your LLC formation. However, make sure you stay on top of any local requirements or industry-specific licenses your business may need. And after that, that's it. You have just learned how to form an LLC in Wisconsin. If you want to make that process even easier and save time, consider using Northwest Registered Agent. For only $39, they'll handle the formation for you and provide you with a free year of registered agent service. Click the link in the description to get started.